Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can unlock stories or chapter in GoodNovel. Well, it is very easy. So first of all, I'm going to open my application, make sure that you are logged in, and now you can simply open any stories that you want. For example, I'm going for this particular one, and in here you can see this is the first chapter. Now I'm going to read all of it until I reach my limit, just like this. And just like this, here you can see now I have reached a chapter where I will need to unlock it, right? So if I simply tap on unlock, it will require coin. So make sure that you have enough coin on your GoodNovel in order to unlock it. If I simply tap on unlock, and if you had enough coin, that specific chapter would have been unlocked. But since I don't have enough coin, it is asking me to buy it. So if you want to buy it like this, you can simply choose how much coin you want to buy. So for example, if I want to buy 100, I can tap on it. And in here, you can see now it will ask me for the purchase. So all you need to do is double click on your power on button, and then the charges will be cut off from your Apple ID. So you'll have to make sure that you have linked your cards within your app store in order to purchase those coins. So these were for the chapters. So if you want to unlock some of the short stories, then you'll need to buy subscriptions for that. So right now, if I simply go to shorts and open any specific chapters, and right now here you can see I am on the short option. If I simply open any short stories, for example, this one, and if I get to my limit just like this. So for now here you can see we have three different options. First one's monthly and second one is yearly. So you can choose either of that. Here we also have the limited time offer option for now. So if you want to buy any of those subscription, you can simply tap on them and now it will ask me to purchase it. So the process of purchasing is same. So you'll have to do it through your app store. So make sure that you have linked your card in your app store. And just like that, you can unlock any kind of chapter or stories on your short novel. So if you ever want to buy any of the coins, you'll have to get to the main account, and from there you'll need to tap on the top up option, and like that you can buy coins and you'll be able to unlock any of the chapters of GoodNovel. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.